school. Thank God. Now it's your time to do good. This rebellion thing you're going through, I understand it. Not completely, but I respect it. Now you should think about what is right for you.
I mean, be free, darling. Always.
Yeah, be practical, Steve. You got a chance to go to Harvard. You got me as an alumnus that can't hurt.
But only if it makes you happy.
Look, if you want to rebel there, you can do it. I was there. I went to Woodstock. Me and the guys had a lot of fun. We did our thing there. We got behind some causes, though. We fought for some very strong causes. Collectively, we ended that goddamn war in Nam so that guys like you could be free. There's all these possibilities for you, Stephen. Carry the torch now, okay? I can see by looking at you that you're ready. Proud of the fact that you're an individual.
Very proud. So proud.
One thing, this may not be easy to hear, but the hair. Maybe tone it down a bit. The whole thing that you're doing. In my day, it was, hair, long hair, beatniks, paisley, that stuff. And not liked, that kind of thing. This whole thing you're doing, this statement about the American Indian you're doing, I'm baffled. And not just me. I mean, I'm saying regular guy in the street is going to be baffled, too. And we're hip, we're cool. It's just those guys on the East Coast are never going to get it, with that. They're not going to get this in New York, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, Jesus. Darling, we sound like our parents.
Yeah. It's difficult, dear.
We just want to support you.
100%. Take the ball and run with it. Make a difference.
But always with love. Remember that, Stephen. Always with love.
Oh, time out. I just want to ask, real quick, if I can. You believe in rebellion, freedom, and love, right?
Absolutely.
Rebellion, freedom,
yes.
love.
You two are divorced, so love failed. 2, Mom, you're a new age of clinging to any kind of scrap of Eastern religion that may justify why the above said love failed. 3, Dad, you're a slick, corporate, preppy-ass lawyer. I don't really have to say anything else about you, do I, Dad? 4, you moved from New York City, the mecca and hub of the cultural world, to Utah. Nowhere to change nothing, more to perpetuate this cycle of money, greed, fascism, and triviality. I mean, your movement of the people, by the people, and for the people got you nothing. You just hide behind some lost sense of drugs, sex, rock and roll. Oh, kumbaya. I am the future. I am the future of this great nation which you, Father, so arrogantly saved this world for. Look, I have my own agenda. Harvard, out. University, Utah, in. I'm gonna get a 4.0 in damage. I love you guys. Don't get me wrong. It's all about this. But for the first time in my life, I'm 18 and I can say, fuck you!
Everybody was sick of the Vietnam War, which started in 1965 and went to 1975. So it was kind of like, you know what, we don't want to be political anymore. We want to kind of be about don't step on my blue suede shoes, which is probably the most political thing you could say, because that's about personal freedom. Everybody was so fed up with what was going on with rock and roll, which was Deep Purple. These big bloated concerts where they do these organ solos for 20 minutes or these guitar solos for 20 minutes.
De pronto me encontré frente a 8 jóvenes tremendamente ofensivos que se comportaban bastante mal en el estudio. No me gustaba su música y el lenguaje que usaban era tremendo.
Were incredibly reductive to emotions, anger, 3 chords, you know, just the kind of damaged sound of rock and roll being very reduced was so beautiful.
The fight. What does it mean and where does it come from? An essay. Homo sapien, a man. He is alone in the universe. A punker. Still a man. He's alone in the universe. But he connects. How? They hit each other. Ooh, no clear way to evaluate whether or not you're alive. Now, complications. A reason to fight. Somebody different. Difference creates dispute. Dispute is a reason to fight. Now, to fight is a reason to feel pain. Life is pain. So to fight with reason is to be alive with reason. Final analysis. To fight. A reason to live. Problems and contradictions. I'm an anarchist. I believe that there should be no rules, only chaos. Fighting appears to be chaos, and when we slam the pit of show, it is. But when we fight for a reason like rednecks, there's a system. We fight for what we stand for, chaos. But fighting is a structure. Fighting is to establish power. Power is government, and government is not anarchy. Government is war, and war is fighting. The circle goes like this. Our redneck skirmishes are cheaper versions of conventional warfare. War implies extreme government because wars are fought to enforce rules or ideals, even freedom. But other people's ideals forced on someone else, even if it is something like freedom, is still a rule, not anarchy.
The political, social climate at the time in the 70s was crucial to the formation of punk rock because punk rock was talking about the dole queue and the winter of discontent.
You know, everywhere you went, it was like bad news. They were talking about burying people at sea in the Mersey because the grave diggers were on site. I mean, it was that bad.